Welcome back to my channel, day 12. So if you guys are just tuning in, this is your first time, we've opened up 11 of these boxes. It comes with 12 products. We've unboxed one each day, and I've talked about the different lip color that I am wearing at the end of each video. So if you guys are interested in seeing the final product and this lip color, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so let's open this beautiful box up. It's insane the amount of products you get in here, right? Okay, so the last one is this one down here at the bottom. And it is the First Base Makeup Primer, oil-free makeup primer spray. Look at it. It's so little and cute. So here's the full-size bottle versus the travel-size bottle. You guys, like I've said in previous videos, these are refillable travel-size bottles that are certified to be taken on your carry-on, which is awesome. Just so I can touch things up whenever I get to where I'm going to, and just in case luggage gets lost or anything like that. So we're gonna do the same thing as in all the other videos. I'm gonna read a little bit of information on this product. I'm gonna tell you guys my little tips on this, and then we'll talk about my lip color. Okay, so this says, this specialized fine mist visibility improves makeup application by reducing the appearance of large pores and preventing makeup from settling into fine lines. So that is what, so you would prep your skin. Like I told you, I like to prep people's skin with the due date because it's hydrating, moisturizing, it makes people's skin feel so good. And then I will go ahead and spray this primer spray. If you are super oily, like I mean, I'm oily and I still use the due date, but like super oily skin, then you could skip maybe the due date. You could apply something very light like a Calm Balm. That's a very light moisturizer. Then spray this, then you put your foundation on. I just want to read a little backstory on this product because there are some really cool stories that go along with all these products. So this one says, this product is made by a renowned professional manufacturing company that focuses on formulating outstanding primer and finishing sprays. Many consumers have never used a spray primer, but it does keep your makeup on more vibrantly throughout the day, especially in hot environments. This primer spray is one of our biggest sellers at professional makeup trade shows. So you definitely want to try this. I know a primer spray, when I first tried it, I'm like, a primer spray? That's so weird because I've never tried a primer spray before. So my little tip with this is, it's more or less advice on kind of when to use it rather than a tip. Okay. So they come in a collection under makeup, and then scroll, like makeup on the top of my site, scroll down to collections, and it's the spray and stay collection. So you get the 2-ounce bottles. This one here is 0.66 ounces. The big ones are 4 ounces. So you get two 2-ounce bottles, and you get to build your collection. So you would get the First Base Makeup Primer, and then you can choose the Time Setter Spray or the Oil Strike Matte Setting Spray. And so lots of people ask me, like, is a primer and a setting spray necessary? And I say, no, it's not. But it's just like saying, is hairspray necessary after I style my hair? No, it's not. Not always, or not at all. But are you going to get more wear out of your hairstyle if you use hairspray? Definitely. So do I use it every day? No, I don't use it for my everyday makeup. But if I am doing makeup that I want to last all day, if I'm going to be out and about or whatever it is, if it's a special occasion, whatever, I will definitely use the spray primer and the setting spray because you get that longevity out of your makeup that is just going to make it last throughout the day longer than it would without, just like how a hairspray would for your hairstyle. So I hope that makes sense. That's the best way that I can describe it. And so without further ado, let's get into this lipstick color because in my opinion, I saved the best dark color for last. This is my favorite color. It's so So good. It's just so good. I love it. So it's like the darkest brown shade, almost black, but it still has that warmth to it. It is so beautiful. I get so many compliments on this color. It is bold, but it's not screaming so bright at you that it's totally doable for people who aren't used to wearing like a bolder lip. But definitely, I definitely suggest through all of these colors that I've shown you guys, if you guys are brand new to lip colors, you're not used to wearing anything but like a nude or a chapstick, go for the medium shades. Go for the ones that, and that is like kind of like your, that will get you the ball rolling on wearing more darker, bolder shades and getting you feeling more confident. And oh, they're just so good because I barely spent any time on my eyeshadow, and then if you just like pop on a bold lip, it just really makes everything look like you've put so much time into your makeup. And so I just really like playing with different lip colors, and especially like the holiday season right now for outings and parties and gatherings, and during this time of year I definitely love a bold lip in the winter and fall and stuff like that. So I hope you guys love these videos. If you guys did watch all 12 of them, thank you guys so much. You are amazing. I appreciate all of your guys' support always. If you liked this last unboxing and the tips about the and the explanations about the spray primer and the setting sprays and stuff like that, click the like button. I definitely appreciate that. It helps me know what you guys like to see from me, as well as it helps my little growing channel out. And yeah, if you guys, I have one more bonus video for you guys. Remember I said in the beginning videos that I would be showing you guys what is in my little LimeLife Santa bag. So we'll be doing that, so definitely subscribe so you guys get a notification when that video goes live, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next one. See you guys!